A recent national survey conducted by YouGov reveals 8% of Americans report being falsely accused of domestic violence, child abuse, sexual assault, or other forms of abuse. The 2,407 survey respondents were representative of the U.S. adult population. The 8% figure represents 20.4 million adults. In 62% of cases, the false accusers were reported to be females. Often, the false allegation was made in the context of a child custody dispute, 27% of cases. Similar percentages of falsely accused persons were seen among the various age groups, racial and ethnic categories, and geographical areas. In other demographic categories, however, substantial differences were unearthed. The survey found a sharp gender divide. 11% of men, compared to only 6% of women, reported being falsely accused. Declining percentages of false allegations were observed according to the level of educational attainment. Persons with no college reported higher numbers, 8%, than persons with college degrees, 7%, or postgraduate degrees, 3%. The exception to this declining trend was noted among persons with some college education, with 11% reporting that they'd been falsely accused. This higher percentage may reflect the fact that many accused students are expelled or choose to leave before they're able to graduate. Further analysis of data revealed higher numbers were seen among persons with annual incomes under $40,000, 12%, compared to adults with incomes of $40,000 to $80,000, 7%, or over $80,000, 8%. Substantially higher percentages of false allegations were noted among persons in a civil partnership, 15%, compared to persons who were single, 9%, divorced, 9%, or married, 7%. False allegations were fairly evenly distributed across the 4 abuse categories: domestic violence, 17%, child abuse, 17%, sexual assault, 16%, or other form of abuse, 11%. False allegations represent a serious threat to justice. According to the National Registry of Exonerations, false allegations and perjury are the most common contributing factor to wrongful convictions, constituting 59% of such cases. False allegations harm the social standing, career prospects, and mental health of the accused, diminish the credibility of future victims, and undermine the integrity of our legal system. Lawmakers are beginning to enact legislation designed to deter false allegations, such as New York State's anti-Karen law. At universities in the California state system, student conduct procedures delineate that a complainant who knowingly and intentionally files a false formal complaint, or any individual who's determined to have provided false statements or information during the investigation or appeal review, shall be subject to discipline in accordance with the Student Conduct Code. This survey is believed to be the first on the topic ever undertaken. The respondents consisted of a nationally representative sample of American adults aged 18 or over. Field work was undertaken September 23rd to September 25th, 2020, and the survey was carried out online. It was conducted using an online interview and administered to members of the YouGov panel of persons who've agreed to participate. According to the U.S. Census, the American population estimate as of July 1st, 2019 was 328 million people, of whom 22.3% were under 18 years of age, leaving 255 billion people of 18 years or older. 8% of that number is 20.4 million persons. The full survey results can be reviewed online. The Center for Prosecutor Integrity urges prosecutors, lawmakers, college administrators, and others to work to end the current epidemic of false allegations. Written by the Coalition to End Domestic Violence and produced by the Law Center. Click the link in the description portion of this video to learn more about them.